Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to add the collection page or how to create the collections in your Shopify store. Here's the admin panel of my Shopify. You have to go to product, and in product you will find the option of collection. Click this option. Here we go. We have two selection at this time. If you want to create a new one, create the collection, create the title of collection, write summer collection or something like that. I'm going to test two, and you will find some description about this text here. Collection type manual or automated. If you will click the manual, you will select the products manually, and if you will select the automated, the product will be automatically transferred to this collection according to these criteria like product care tags and price and weight and something like that. So this is a way to create the collection. You can add the collection image also. Let me put some random image here. After setting it up, you have to save it. Now the collection is ready. Click the collection. Now you can see we have another collection is here. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.